already late to the meeting point and somehow also confused at the same time. I thought we were directly going to the camping point. Meanwhile, everyone was already at some hilltop spot and I was just following a live location like my life depended on it. Every few kilometers, stop, refresh, and again, ride again. Full survival mode active. Finally reached before they left. More importantly, samosas were still available along with chai. Now that's a successful ride. We were at the top for 1 hour. At this point, this was less of a camping trip and more of a chai samosa meetup with tents. And honestly, I support it. Woke up a little late, as usual. Opened the tent and saw this, and it was worth it. Village vibes were too good. Cold air, random bird sounds, temple music playing, peaceful everywhere. Meanwhile, my brain was still loading slowly. Packed up slowly and just sat there for some time before leaving. And maybe, just maybe, if I had stayed there a little bit longer, I would have permanently lived there. Okay, now a small problem, may not be a small problem. Somewhere during the return ride, I messed up the camera settings. Didn't notice anything the whole time. Reached home, opened the footage, and bro, the entire sky was missing. Everything looked nuclear. Full overexposed cinematic universe. Absolute skill issue. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more rides, confusion, and skill issues.